Ever wonder how to transform your fitness journey without stepping foot in a gym? The answer is simpler than you'd think. It's aerobic exercises. That's right. The beauty of aerobic exercises is in their simplicity and versatility. They can be done anywhere, anytime, and most importantly, they can be tailored to your fitness level. Starting off our list is the classic jump rope, an exercise that's as fun as it is effective. Jumping rope is a full-body workout that can torch a lot of calories in a short amount of time. It also enhances coordination and cardiovascular fitness. Begin with short intervals and progressively extend the duration as your stamina improves. Next up is high-intensity interval training, or HIIT for short. This workout style involves alternating between intense bursts of activity and fixed periods of rest. Exercises like burpees, jumping jacks, and mountain climbers can get your heart rate skyrocketing in no time. Third on the list is dancing. Yes, dancing. Turn up your favorite tunes and dance your heart out in your living room. Not only is it a fun way to stay active, but it also burns calories and lifts your spirits. Fourth is running or jogging in place. This simple exercise can help you get your daily cardio in without leaving your house. It's a straightforward yet effective way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. Our fifth suggestion is body weight exercises. Exercises such as jumping jacks, burpees, high knees, and squat jumps are all great for getting your heart rate up and providing an aerobic workout. You can create a circuit using these exercises for a well-rounded, full-body workout. Sixth, we have aerobic videos. The internet is teeming with aerobic workout videos that you can follow along with. These are great for ensuring proper form and keeping your motivation levels high. Seventh is stair climbing. If your home has stairs, they can be your secret weapon for a great cardiovascular workout. Climbing stairs can swiftly elevate your heart rate and help you burn calories. Our eighth suggestion is cycling on a stationary bike. If you're lucky enough to own a stationary bike, it can provide a low-impact yet effective aerobic workout. Plus, you can entertain yourself with a show or some music while you pedal away. If you have access to a swimming pool, swimming makes for an excellent low-impact aerobic exercise. Engaging multiple muscle groups, swimming is a fantastic way to aid weight loss. Last but not least, we have yoga and Pilates. While not traditional aerobic exercises, these practices can enhance your overall fitness and flexibility. Some faster-paced yoga styles like vinyasa can also provide a good cardiovascular workout. Always remember to start at a pace that suits your fitness level and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Consistency is the secret sauce to losing weight through aerobic exercise. Pair your workouts with a balanced diet for optimal results. And, as always, consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on a new exercise program, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions. So there you have it, folks. 10 simple and effective aerobic exercises you can do right at home. No fancy equipment, no expensive gym memberships, just you, your body, and your commitment to fitness. Transform your fitness journey today with aerobic exercises.